Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is cross join. Okay, so you already discussed about the joining. We already discussed about the basic inner join, left join, right join, and in this video, we are going to discuss about cross join. So before going to know about cross join, let's understand what is join actually, and what are the purpose of joining, and what is the thing we need to join. And actually, in our large application or for difficult database structure, sometimes we may need to create different table for our projected relations. At that time, the defined table in a database can have multiple tables. Suppose in my Laravel 11 database, we can get different tables for different purpose. Sometimes we need a relations between some tables with another tables. Like here you can see we have a students table and a student have some subject. Okay, so we have a relations between students and subject. So if you check, there is a students, and these are the primary key for student table. This is the id, and similarly in a subject table we have also id. All right, now what are the relation? Actually, the relation is students id is the same as subjects student id. Okay, so by that relations we can understand which student using or accessing which subject. Okay, so you can see in a subject table English student id 4. That means this 4 is basically David. That means here you can see, or you can say, English is related to student id 4, that is David. Okay, so in this way actually we maintaining the relations in our database for complex database, large database. Now when we going to create application, we need to fetch a record like this. We need English also, we need David also. Okay, means we need data from both the related tables or all the related tables. So how we can do this? For that things we will use joining. Okay, so basically if you check here, there are basic three types of joining, that is inner join, left join and right join. Means if you want to get all the data from all tables, you will need actually cross join. And if you want the common data between the table 1 and table 2, like student or subject, you can say student is table 1 and subject is a table 2. So if you want to get only the common things, you will use inner join. If you want all the data from the table 1 and you want only those records from the table 2 which are related to table 1, then you will use the left join, and the reverse thing is right join. And if you want all the data with all the combination, that time you will need the cross join. Basically cross join don't need to specify all the relations. Actually these are the most easy relations, we don't need to think about much about that things, right? So actually cross join is a type of join that returns the Cartesian product of rows from the tables. So if you have 4 records in the student and 4 records into subject, so it will return 4 into 4, that is 16 records. So let's see with the example so that we will get a clear understanding of that thing. So we already created our joining controller. So let's create a function. So simply write public function, let's function name is cross join. Okay, so whatever you can write, I can write anything for function name. Okay, so for understanding. Okay, now just write in this way. So simply write, let's take in the variable that is a result, and simply write db table and specify the table name, that is the students. Okay, and another is just need to write cross join. So this actually the syntax, or you can say this is the functions to cross join with another table. So I want to join with another table, that is the subject. Okay, so we want to cross join operation with the students and subject, this and this. All right, now I want to fetch the record. and I want to get the selected records. I mean, I want student name and subject name. So simply write select, and here you can write name. But the thing is, if you check in the student table you have name, and in the subject table also you have name. So if you write here the name, that time the column will become ambiguous. So we need to specify the students dot name, okay, and set aliases so that we will get understanding which name is that. And similarly just write subjects dot name, and simply write subject name. Okay, now let's create a route for that so that we can call the functions. So just go into the routes. So simply just use route and just use the get method and simply write cross join, and let's call the functions. So how to call? So simply call the controller name joining controller and then the method name. So here my method name is cross join. So just put it down and just go to this URL, you will get understanding or you will get the result. Okay, so here actually one thing, we need to return the result, otherwise we cannot see any things, right? So returning the result, and let's go to this URL. So you will get 16 records. So if you count, you can see that is English, and for English this is the first record English, and for English you will get all the student, then for math you will get all the student. Okay, so just check it. So for English you will get David, John, Rock, Sunny, then again math David, John, Rock, Sunny. So for each record will get each record from another table. Okay, so actually this is the curtain sun product. Okay, so now you can understand what is actually the cross join. And still, if you have any questions about this video, please comment it down and I will try to reply you very soon. Okay, so next day we are going to discuss about another type of joinings. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.